Okay, here it is, the Magnus video tripod, and this is the unboxing review. So what do you get? You get the tripod, you get the fluid panning, swift quick connection system, steady super grip rubber feet, you also get the extendable telescope legs, and lightweight aluminum alloy. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Comes in this nice little case. It's got a little Magnus thing, little fake leather here along the sides, and of course, has a great little. Here we go. It unzips, and inside, don't eat that. Got a little manual, and then this little tag which says everything that the box said, and that's it. Like, here is the quick release. Slide it back in here. These feet look like they're pretty nice. Something that you should know, these legs are aluminum. These are made out of plastic, and so is this. All right, well, let's take it out in the field. Okay, so here's the thing that I love about this tripod. It has very nice fluid pan and tilt, and if that's what you're going for, you're gonna love this thing too. It's kind of heavy, so if you're doing vlog stuff or you're trying to move around a lot, there's a plane, this is gonna be cumbersome. It's heavy, you're gonna have to carry it around with you and pack it, and it can get a little tiring. Just getting started, this is a great tripod, especially if you want to get some of that more production value look with some of those pans and tilts. I highly recommend it. If you're just gonna kind of run and gun and you're out there, I mean, a GorillaPod would probably suit you so much better than this, or take a look at a Manfrotto tripod. This is a little bit bigger than that. You will get better quality overall. The feet are super nice on this thing. Really easy to level. It feels nice and sturdy. It's got some weight to it, so you're not going to get a lot of that camera shake. And I am a big fan of this tripod so far. A couple of things you should know, there are some plasticky parts. They do feel like they're well machined or well made. Over time, they'll break down. They'll break. It's a tripod for 80 bucks. And when it does break, you'll be excited, because at that point, you'll be ready to invest in that $200 to $300 tripod. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, click that like button, and please subscribe if you want to see more of the content that I produce. My name is Matthew Whitfield. I'm a Simple Potato, and that's it. Thank you.